Hello wonderful people, my name is Santiago and today I'm going to show you guys how to join groups in Canvas. So first things first, go over to the Courses tab and select the course you're going to form a group in. Once you're there, go over to the People tab. Once in the Peoples tab, select the Groups tab. And once you're in the Groups tab, you can now form your own group. You can do this by selecting the group name and choose whether you want people to join freely or they have to be invited to join. And then you can send an invite to all the students in the course and check the box next to their name as available. After that, select Submit and a group will be formed. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.